Hey folks, Lindsay here, and Marissa there.
You always videotape us when we're going on a walk.
It's because that's when I think about pulling out the camera.
People
and that's just
must get
the morning.
Bored
Yeah, it's the same scenery
of
over and
seeing
over.
us
However,
doing
later,
the same thing.
well, later in the month, we won't be doing the same thing. There's a little teaser for you. Here are the puppies. So the temperature's cooler, but it's not bad, but the wind is just really whipping. So it makes it feel really cold. What you doing, Kaylin? Back from the walk. That was pretty chilly, but on the plus side, they are not gross springtimey paws when we get back. Right, Hudson? So that's nice. And now they're ready for some food. Especially this one. And that one. And that one. Currently out neighbors, but this is as far into public as I go. There we go. This is where we were.
So I need to add
It was fun.
these letters in the mail. It's like don't contact. Did you have that raisin?
So that was really fun. Honey, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
It was really fun. We love our neighbors, so. And we will see you tomorrow.